Falcore drone is a racing drone for everyone. It's not flying high and looking over the view. It's flying fast, flying low, avoiding the obstacles, flying within the trees, among the trees. It's flying together with your friends, flying with them, competing against them. It's a rush.
The coolest thing that I got to see about that quad is it has the sonar mode. They call it shield mode. So when you're flying, if you can set the altitude between 1 to 3 feet as you're flying, and it's going to maintain that altitude. Every single time it crashed, you just pick it back up, or if you landed upright, you were able to take back off. Very durable, very sturdy. So it's going to be a perfect racing machine for any of the new guys out there.
Furious 215 is an optimal racing drone that's ready to fly. Benefits include its simple DIY components that are both upgradable and replaceable. A high-performance power system and rapid responsiveness helps bring users a fantastic flight experience. Furious 215 ESC supports one-shot 125 and one-shot 42 protocols. The 2500 kilovolt high-performance brushless motor is combined with the 5040 5-inch propeller. Its powerful momentum speaks for itself. By lowering the battery fitting surface to 30 millimeters and saving space by removing unnecessary wiring, we have improved the center of gravity and made the drone more stable. Its unique design of multiple direction tightening straps supports sports cameras at different sizes. The mainstream F3 flight controller allows users to tune. In addition, it has a boot key for firmware flashing. By utilizing the S-Bus communication protocol, Furious 215's remote control receiver provides very rapid response. Equipped with the PPM S-Bus receiver interface, the flight controller enables DIY users to install third-party receivers that can then be operated using third-party remote controllers. It also supports a programmable LED strip. In addition to the supplied taillights, it provides 5-volt LED light interfaces at both sides of the PDB.